already on a vacation in Greece. So I'm staying here for 4 days now and I really like it. We drive around the island every day. Today we are in Heraklion. Currently eating at Amalias kitchen. I eat the fajitas. It's like with a very nice beef, very well prepared. And I put it in the tortilla and yeah, just some vegetables, rice with it, sour cream. Like the whole package, it's really nice, it's really delicious.
Me and my brother love food and we eat nice every day, but this has to be the best we've had so far.
Alright.
So this is a really great place to eat. Yeah, so we're staying in Heraklion and we drive from there with our rental car. Today in Heraklion with the delicious food. I will take a bite now as well.
Nice.